So, you've heard the buzz about crypto, but what exactly is it? Well, imagine a digital form of money that's decentralized, meaning no central authority like a bank or government controls it. This digital currency is secured by cryptography, hence the name crypto. Now, the backbone of crypto is the blockchain, a public ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is a block that gets added to the chain, creating a transparent and tamper-proof record of every exchange. But what makes crypto so revolutionary is its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. With cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can send money globally with lower fees and faster transactions compared to traditional banking methods. Mining is another key concept in crypto. It's the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, and in return, they're rewarded with newly minted coins. Now, let's talk about wallets. These are digital tools that store your cryptocurrencies securely. There are different types of wallets, from online exchanges to hardware wallets like USB drives, each offering varying levels of security. But remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, with prices that can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. So, it's essential to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, crypto is a game changer in the world of finance, offering a decentralized and secure way to transact globally. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about this digital frontier, understanding the basics of crypto can open up a world of possibilities. So, dive in, explore, and remember, the future of money might just be digital.